Today's a special day for us. We'll be outplanting our Cycas Micronesica. We'll be outplanting 3. Very special moment for us. This is kind of a milestone for us as a team. This will be our first ever outplanting of these cycads. So being able to put them out into their natural habitat is really an honor.
We've been dreaming to plant these Fadang or Cycas Micronesica for a while now. And after maybe 5 years, this is the day, right,
Yes.
Joe?
Welcome to our land, the Atantåno. For those of you who do not know what Atantåno means, in English it means to look with your eyes on the land.
In our island conservation lab, I really enjoy perpetuating, which is remembering that traditionally, all of our ancestors, no matter where we came from, we were original caretakers of the land, and that's something that sometimes we may forget in the modern society, but that's something that we want to keep doing for generations to come.
These are our people's resources, and we should have it seen like that. That should be owned by the people of the Marianas.
And I also want to emphasize, we really want to keep that connectedness between the language and the cultural practices and the biology all together, what we call biocultural diversity. And it's really important to protect that holistically.
I would like you to really just feel not only the land itself, but feel the presence of our ancestors. And we call them 𝘮𝘪𝘤𝘢𝘴 Atantåno esti isimizan Fadang. Fadang nizu 𝘮𝘪𝘤𝘢𝘴 Atantåno puritano tanok mizu. Bendisi ham dan esti isimizan Fadang nak sofu ham mona dan esgayon ham tatanak malik mona para todo esta melanja.
Cycads are part of a very ancient group of plants, as old as the dinosaurs, really. They're really dependent on pollinators. So taking care of the cycads doesn't just mean making sure that it has nutrients and it's watered all the time. It also means environmental stewardship to make sure that they can reproduce and they will have their pollinators and the environment is healthy to sustain their longevity.
One part about the maintenance about the Fadang are getting rid of the pests. One pest that in particular that we've had a challenge tackling are the cycad scales. One way that we try to get rid of them is by wiping the leaves very gently with alcohol sprayed paper towel.
Cycads in good health have green, stiff leaves, while yellowing or drooping may indicate nutritional deficiencies. Monitoring regularly ensures that you catch these issues early on and they don't become a problem that may lead to death of your plant.